Welcome back to the channel, guys. To those that are yet to subscribe, if you know you've not clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So we would want to know where this GBPJPY will be moving for this week. First, let's start with this moment. We will say it like let's go to the daily time frame. So we understand this moment, right? Once price came to this same level, we had a rejection at this bottom and then a rejection at this level. Then price actually spiked up. You can now see that price has now given us a pullback to test this next level, right? We have a range here. So what thing we'll be expecting in the long run is actually a bullish move that will actually take out this ice. That is in the long run. Let's say in 3 to 6 weeks time, a new high should be broken. So now this is what I am seeing on this GBPJPY, kind of like an impulse move here, kind of like a drawback. I'm seeing something like a drop movement, and then I will expect this price to actually drop, kind of double, like I say, double tap this lows, which is double tap a level of 157 before price will eventually push up. One of the reasons why I'm expecting such movement is that when we go to our JPY index, you will see that this JPY index is actually dropping. And the next level we would expect this JPY index to drop to is this level, which is a level of 830. So that is the level that I'll be watching out for on JPY index. So if this JPY index will be dropping to a level of 830, then definitely any other currency pairs we will be trading to our JPY will definitely give us that bullish move. So we are trading GBP to our JPY. So guys, this is one of the reasons why I said a little bit of a drop before this GBP JPY will actually go bullish. By the end of the week, we should be trading around a level of 160 to 161. So within this level of 160, 161, that is what we will be watching out for. Currently, we are trading at 158. So by the time this week will end, we should at least be at the level of 160 to 161. That is what I'm watching out for. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, actually check the link below. I've actually just put out 3 trade rights. The trade that we will be watching out for this week is this high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So I've just put it to my Patreon channel. If you are interested, just become one of my Patreon subscribers so you'll be able to get that trade and trade it and make a lot, right? So that is what I want you guys to do. Check the link in the comment section, become one of my Patreon subscribers. And I want you guys to also know that I might not really be consistent on this channel. I might not really post daily updates for this week, but I'm sure we'll be very consistent on my Patreon channel. So I'll be putting more trading setup on that channel. So if you would want to get some of my trade, right, you can actually become one of my subscriber and basically you trade without losing any. Now down to the 4-hour time frame. So if you can see this movement, right, seeing something like this, you can see something like this and you can see that this price has literally dropped. So I'll be expecting one more movement upward that will take out these two levels. So basically what I'm trying to see is GBPJPY to go bullish, right? This trade, we are not 100% sure it will play out. But one thing is that I've posted high probability trade that I strongly believe or we would definitely eat. That trade is what I've put in my Patreon channel. So when you become one of my Patreon subscriber, you'll be able to get that trade.